Hello students, now we will learn to find mode with the help of class interval and their frequency. This is the question of exercise 14.2. Question number 2. Given that the information on the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components, and we have to find the model lifetime of the components. So see the class interval 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100 and 100 to 120, and the frequencies are given respectively 10, 35, 52, 61, 38 and 29. As we know that the most occurring observation is called mode. So here the maximum frequency is 61. So model class will be is 60 to 80, and so the model class frequency represented by F1 and it is 61. The previous frequency of the model class represented by FO or F0, it is 52, and the next frequency of the model class represented by F2 and it is 38, and the class length is 20, and here L is 60. So we know that mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. And so now we have to put the value in this formula. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So on place L we can write 60 plus F1 here 61, FO is 52, 2FO it mean F2 F1 mean F1 का डबल कर देना है, it is 122 minus FO 52 and F2 is 38 into H, and H equal to 20. So 60 plus 61 minus 52 equal to 9 by 122 माइनस अब 52 और 38 इन दोनों का सम फाइंड कर लेंगे. सो इट इज 2 8 10 एंड 5 3 8 1 9 into 20. Again 60 plus 9 by here 122 minus 90 it will be 32 into 20. अब now 4 8 jar and 4 5 jar. So it is 60 plus 9 5 jar 45 by 8. Again we can write here 60 plus 45 by 8. Now 8 5 jar 40 0.0 50 8 6 jar 48 and 2 8 2 jar 16 8 5 jar 40. So sum is 65.625. It means the model lifetime will be 65.625 hours. Now see question number 6. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one day international cricket matches. The runs score 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000, 5000 to 6000, 6000 to 7000, 7000 to 8000, 8000 to 9000, 9000 to 10,000 and 10,000 to 11,000. And the number of batsmen 4, 89, 7, 6, 3, 1 and 1. Here again we have to find the mode of the data. So again we can see here the maximum frequency is 18. So model class will be model class, it is 4000 to 5000 and so L equal to 4000 and frequency of model class, it means F1 equal to 18, frequency of previous frequency of the model class F4 and next frequency of model class F2, it is F2, F1 and F0 and so it is 9 and the length of class is 1000. Now we know that mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So put the value on place L, we can write 4000 and plus F1 here 18 minus F4 equal to 4, 2F1 it means 18 to the 36, F4 minus 4 and F2 minus 1 and length is 1000. So here 4000 plus 18 minus 4, 14 by 4 and 9 minus 4 minus 9 minus 13 and 36 minus 13, it is 23 into 1000. So 4000 plus 14,000 by 23, so it is 4000 plus. Now 14,000 में 23 से डिवाइड कर देना है, so it will be 14,000 divided by 23. Here 23 5 jar 3 5 jar 15 and 3 5 2 jar 10 and 1 11 and it is R 6 jar 6 3 jar 18 18 and 1 6 2 jar 12 1 13. So it is 2 and 0 0 jar 2 0 and 0. Now 8 jar 8 3 jar 24 in and 2 और 8 2 jar 16 और 2 18 16 पॉइंट लेंगे 0 अगेन 3 6 jar 3 6 jar 138 and it is 2 and 2. Here we can write 608.6. So it will be 4608.6 is the model runs of this data. तो इस तरह से आप जो है क्लास इंटरवल और उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी से जो है मॉडल क्लास डिटेक्ट करके मोड फाइंड कर सकते हैं। फिर जो है वीडियो को देखते रहिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम फिर इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन लेकर आएंगे। थैंक्स।